Hey there, having trouble with your League of Legends client? No worries, in this quick video, I'll walk you through repairing it step by step. Let's get started. First, properly close the Riot client. To do this, click on the small arrow in your system tray to open it up. Next, right-click on Riot Games and choose Exit. Now head to your desktop, find the Riot client icon. Right-click on it and select Properties. After that, click on Compatibility. In the Compatibility tab, check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode for, and choose Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Also, make sure to disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Next, click on Apply and then OK to close the tab. And there you have it. That's how you repair the League of Legends client. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.